So this is a unit from Keyestudio, an Arduino Uno based solar tracker. And here's an example of it working. It's got 4 light sensors and an overall intensity meter. And as you move the position of the light, you'll see that the angle of the solar panel and its relative position will change. So I've been very, very happy with this. Very easy to assemble, and really no complaints about it. Again, if you follow the instructions carefully, which I'm apt to skim over, you can, it will produce a great solar tracker. This is my reference design. I'm going to move this much of this capability over to an ESP8266 low power. I want to build a weather station with a LoRa radio on it. So really no complaints about it. Again, the instructions are excellent. If I had one complaint, I would say a recommendation. I would say, hey, include a power supply. Not a big deal to find a 9-volt power supply, but it would have been nice to have one with a right angle. They placed this strut right here, this mounting strut, right in the way of the Arduino. So didn't really like that. So I'm going to move that over 1 dot. So all in all, great product. Very happy with it.